Now we want to switch to recovering from the blizzard. You might be wondering if you can get money back for services that you went without that week. To On Your Side's Kelly Dudzik has your money on her mind, joining us now with ways that you can try to get credits or discounts, get your money back.
Exactly, and we've already gone over how if you lost power for 72 hours or more, you can apply for credits for food or medicine you lost. But that's not the only service the blizzard disrupted. So this question comes from Timothy Taylor, who asked me, what about the cable company and homeowners who pay garbage fees? Did they get any credit since a pickup was missed? I went in search of answers today and I did not hear back from the city of Buffalo or Verizon Fios. But when it comes to food and medicine reimbursement for the power going out, to qualify, your power had to be out for at least 72 consecutive hours. NYSEG told me this afternoon that only 7 of its customers qualify. And we didn't get a chance to talk with National Grid on Monday when we did another story about this because of the holiday. But this afternoon, I was able to get some clarification about what kind of proof you need to show in order to get the most money back.
To receive the maximum reimbursement, proof of loss is required, and proof of loss verifies that you had the food that was spoiled. So the requirements per the state law are photographs accompanied with the receipts of the food or the medication that had been spoiled.
The deadline is Tuesday, and remember, you can also apply with an itemized list, but more is better. So if you have a shopper's card, you can try to look up your receipt that way. Also, take lots of pictures and send those in. And I know a lot of people didn't have Spectrum cable or internet for several days because of the blizzard. A spokesperson told me this afternoon that they were looking into how the company was handling this because I wanted to know if they would be crediting people's accounts. In the past, they've done that. All you have to do is call and ask Kate, and they can look it up for you. They know that you didn't have cable or internet.
That's good to know because otherwise you'd kind of think, well, you know,
just pay it.
Oh, well.
Right.
One of the other issues is the Lackawanna trash pickup.
Yeah, and Lackawanna had a driving ban longer than anywhere else except for Buffalo. So I wanted to know, is there a discount? Did anybody miss their trash pickup? They said they didn't miss a beat.
Wow.
Every day they were able to get out there. The same people who do the plows do trash pickup. But if you weren't able to get your bins to the curb, you can put out extra stuff this week.
Okay.
No extra charge.
That's good to know. But remarkably, they were able to do that.
I know. I was surprised because I thought for sure maybe they missed some pickups there. They didn't.
They didn't?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. Kelly Dudzik.